Oh, here we go. Unboxing. So let's get it. And open it and look inside. Sorry, I just coming from work. You know. And there it is. OPENRUN Pro 2 Shokz. Bone conductive open AirPods. Nice. Black color. Wow. That is pretty cool. 2 years warranty. Nice. Nice case. Oh, charger no include. Always. By Amazon, right? Let's open. No? Come on. Nice carry suitcase. Oh, this is not old. Look at that. The shark. What is we see? Apple Store, Google Play, right? This is manual. Maybe sticker? No? Oh no. Certificate. Warranty card. Yeah. And look at that. It's really nice. It's really nice for touching. Wow. Shokz. Right. Let's have a look. Oh, it's really small. It's been like here. I don't know. Supposed to be like that. Right. So we have headphones, which I bring like that. And what is in the box? Oh. Charge cable. Fight. Why is USB-A and USB-C? It's alright. I have some charging cable, so whatever. Right? Look at this. Wow, that's pretty cool. Turn on button, volume plus, volume down, and here is USB-C. Yeah, charger. So you can connect like, come on, like that. Oh yeah, I don't try now. Oh yeah, pairing. Yeah, it's flashing. It's ready for pair. Do you see that? Wow. Here is the speaker. And here will be maybe conductive, bone conductive speaker. That's pretty interesting. Look at that. I never see that. Wow. Do you see? Maybe. Here is speaker. There is speaker. See here. This is general speaker. And here will be bone conductive speaker. So you can wear like that. Then I make test. Yeah, so let's try on workout. Yep, cool. So let's go to workout.